C&R Asphalt. Paving a driveway. In this video, we are going to overview the entire process from the phone call requesting an estimate to installation of the asphalt. The process of a project into driveway paving begins with a call into our office. Our office personnel will ask for your name, address of property, and/or an address for a proposal to be mailed to you with the type of work requested. If you wish, if you provide an email address, the proposal will be sent to you directly in a digital document format. Sometimes, in addition to driveway paving, customers may want to have repairs done or add additional parking areas, which may require new excavation and rock to be installed. After your information is documented in our computers, a hard copy with a map is given to an estimator. The estimator will put the requested proposal into their work schedule to visit your location. This visit normally takes place within 3 days, depending on your location. For existing driveway overlays, it is normally not necessary to meet with the estimator, as he is only measuring and overviewing the condition of your driveway. If you request, the estimator will be glad to meet with you at your home for any questions you may have. If you are thinking about expanding your driveway, you will probably need to meet with your estimator for clarification of project. When the estimator gets to your home, he will measure your driveway and look at any requested repairs. If your driveway is in bad condition, has rutting or severe cracking with loose asphalt, he may recommend undercutting the base rock, digging up and replacing the base rock, or taking out your existing asphalt. He may include an optional proposal, which would be more permanent repairs. This will give you a better ability to access your immediate needs or give you costing information for what you will need to do in the near future. Once you receive your proposal, please read the included information. It will give you an overview of the driveway paving process. If you have any questions, please feel free to call your listed estimator with any questions or to arrange a meeting with him. When you decide to have the work done, just sign and date at the bottom of your proposal and fax, mail, or email a copy back to the office. Once received at the office, it is given to paving scheduling. It may be 2 to 3 weeks before scheduling calls you for an installation date, depending on existing workload. They will call and leave a message with the anticipated date. Please call back to accept the date or if you want to change dates. The scheduling number is 859-621-1798. And your contact person is Rick Roy. The driveway paving process. At the start of the project, the estimator will meet with both you and your crew foreman to overview your driveway project. He will discuss the individual needs and expectations of your driveway, along with any needed repairs or expansions. The reason you are there is to see that all pertinent information is conveyed to the paving crew. Normally on smaller driveways, the crew arrival is usually around 7:45 to 8:15 or around the noon hour, depending on location scheduling issues. The crew foreman will then communicate his instructions to the crew and begin this process. Your driveway will be edged on the sides to determine the exact edge of the existing asphalt. Any grass or weeds will be sprayed with Primatol grass and weed killer. Any dirt is hand brushed off with wire brooms and blown off the driveway. Areas outside of the garage and either side of the sidewalk, if applicable, and at the road are saw cut and torn out for a flush fit with the existing concrete surface and for water drainage out of the garage. In rural applications, a keyway is milled at the road for a flush tie-in. Most other installers will nosedive the asphalt at the end, which will usually cause raveling of the asphalt in the future as the vehicles turn in the driveway. Tack oil is then applied to the driveway if it is an overlay for adhesion to the original surface. The paving crew foreman will determine if a leveling course is needed to fill low areas in the existing asphalt. The leveling course will then be compacted. The vibratory roller compactor will be put in the garage so that the compaction process can begin after the paver takes off from the garage while the asphalt is hot. As the driveway is paved, the crew will hand tamp the exposed sides to ensure side compaction. After the paving is completed, the crew foreman will overview the driveway with the customer, if available, to ensure completeness. Depending on elevations, some driveways need asphalt berm around window wells and/or asphalt berm installed diagonally across driveways to divert water. Orange barricade tape will be put across the driveway to prevent vehicles from entering. Vehicles should be kept off the new asphalt for 3 days. You will get power steering marks in the asphalt for the summer if you turn your wheels while sitting still. Try to make sure you are moving a little when you turn your wheels while backing out of your garage, if you have a turn-in garage. This is normal and does not look good, but if it happens, the asphalt will knead itself back in and will look better after a few days of driving over the area. Seal coating will usually cover any of these areas. You should wait for a minimum of 90 days before seal coating to allow for the asphalt to begin the curing process. We will send you a seal coating proposal close to the 90-day time frame for your consideration. Our team at C&R Asphalt will be happy to meet with you to discuss any questions you may have.